Okay, so we're not going to worry about formations right now, but this is the Lindy Hop routine for the fireworks show. So Adam is dancing it and Katie. They start apart from each other. They're going to go rock, step, turn, turn, kick, kick. Ready? 5, 6, ready, go. Rock, step, turn, and kick, kick. Rock, step, turn, and kick, kick. Rock, step, turn, and kick, kick. Go rock, step, cross, unwind, stop. Okay, so that's a twist and a jump, unwind. Now they're facing each other. Ready? 5, 6, ready, go. Rock, step, kick, up, out, and rock, step, in, go. In, stop, there. Okay, now there's going to be a ripple cartwheel here, and it'll be a fast ripple. The girl cartwheels over, go. And cartwheel, 2 bars of 8. They take hands there. Okay, in the next section, he spins her in 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab under, go, spin. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You're supposed to go back over.
So it's 3 bars of 8 where he spins the girl. He spins her in 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4. Set her down 5. He steps over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then this next section, they're going to go into tandem. Ready? 5, 6, ready, go. Rock, step, kick, kick, kick. And they're rotating around the circle. Kick, kick, and a rock, step, kick, kick. They do a toe touch. Go rock, step, prep, up, down, push her out. Rock, step, kick, and rock, step, hitch, and rock, step, run, 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 hook, arms. Now he's going to get her up on his back. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rotate to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Flip over the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Then they take hands. Now they're going to do a little pass-through section. Ready, go. Rock, rock, step, kick, 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 and rock, step, fall. Okay, and they go into ragdoll. To the right, go. Right, left, right, up, and left. Right, left, up, and right. Left, right, around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go into the Charleston. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Prep, jump up on the hip, out. Guys go away, girls go around. 2, 3, 4. Without running into each other. And then girls have their solo. Let's do the girls solo. Ready? 5, 6, ready, go. Rock, step, kick, 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 and a rock, step, kick, 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 and a rock, step, cross, ready, go. Hit and double go. And kick, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 2, 3, 4. Charleston, hit. Charleston, hit. She goes rock, step, men run. In 5, 6, 7, 8, they jump over, which apparently he's not going to do. Jump over the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, guys solo, ready, go. Rock, step, kick, up, up, and a rock, step, kick, up, up, and a rock, step, kick, jump, hit, slow turn, hit, hit, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go, and a rock, step, kick, scuff, hit. Okay, then we go to a circle, 3 bars of 8, clapping to get to their partner. Okay, they take hands, 1, 2, back bend, ready, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick throughs, kick, through, kick, through, kick, through, kick, swivels, ready, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, spinner and spin, drop, ready, go. We jump out, clap, kick, turn, and kick, step, jump. Clap, kick, turn, and kick, step, jump. Clap, kick, turn, and kick, step, jump. Clap, kick, turn, and go. Then now come back. We're going to rotate around the circle, and we go turn, turn, run, run, kick, kick. Ready, go. Turn, turn, run, run, kick, kick. Turn, turn, run, run, kick. 3 bars of 8. Turn, turn, run, run, kick. 4 kicks, kick, 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 and kick. Now they're going to prep, and this is the trick section. Okay, so I'll skip over the trick section. After all the trick section is over, they meet with their partner in swing hold, and they're gonna do a slow spin out here. Ready, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cuddle, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, go. Rock, step, kick, 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 and rock, step, turn around, kick, kick, and rock, step, kick. So you alternate between a basic and the rows, add on doing an arch turn. Do the turn this time. Okay, so that'll happen 4 times. Then they go back to 2 basics, rock, step, kick, 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 and rock, step, kick. Then the frog jump, go rock, step, prep, up, pivot, go pivot, pivot, spin, and there. Now this section was a pass through, ready, go. Rock, step, run, run, kick, kick, cross over, run, run, kick, kick, run, 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 cross over, run, 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 jump, hold, ready, girls, go. Kick, 2, 3, guys, kick, 2, 3. Kick, 2, 3, 4, kick. Now little wheel around conveyor belt. And that's all we've got to right now. Okay.